market is looking really good. We have a 105K Bitcoin finally. Okay, it's finally like really starting to move. It was really playing with us for a little while. We got ETH sitting at over 4K, so ETH is doing excellent. And we can see the Bitcoin dominance kind of dropped a little bit, 56.16% today. And the greed is still up there. It's about 80%, so it's still righteous. But today's video, we're actually going to look at a couple of meme coins. Now,
target practice, baby.
I know we are still waiting for Bitcoin to top out, and I know that we are still waiting for ETH to take off so our altcoins can go crazy. So I know that it's probably not time for meme coins. I'm very sure that meme coins have been really taking a nice little break lately, and it's fine. We all can expect that pullback, and it's not too much of a big deal. But when you're looking at meme coins, their charts, their charts is just looking crazy. This is actually Baby Doge. Now, someone's wondering, wow, who still holds this token? A lot of people hold this token still. Yes, it is an ancient token. This is going to be, we're doing a little TA on the 4 hour. Let's go to the weekly chart. And let's reset the chart view. It's kind of a little bit down, just a little bit. Just the other day, we actually hit ATH of $1 billion, all right? But previous ATH was somewhere around 952 million, and that was around January of 2022. And when it first launched, that was around June of 2021. Well, it launched before that, but it actually got up to that 947 mil mark. Then it had a pullback, and then it got back up there. So it's been doing pretty good. It pulled back, and then it kind of ranged for a while. Okay, you can kind of see around February of 2023, it jumped up to that 673 mil mark. And then since then, it's been kind of up and down a little bit here or there. But just the other day, Baby Doge started to go crazy. Baby Doge, it jumped to 1 billion. You can see that it kind of wicked up. It just wicked up there and then came back down. Let's go down to, let's look on the actual 4 hour chart. So this is what I was kind of looking at here. This, if you were accumulating here between a little bit before then too, but this is like November, around December of 2024. If you were purchasing here, you were able to grab your bags there. You were able to take advantage of this run up. Okay, it went up damn near 2x. So it's pretty much pulled back about 40-50%. But a lot of these meme charts are looking like this. Baby Doge, like I said, we've been holding Baby Doge a couple of years now. I expect some really big things out of Baby Doge this year, even though a lot of people are not talking about it. But you can see that the volume is still strong. Liquidity is still there. Fully diluted is 857 mil, and the market cap is 689. So there's a lot that is locked up, things like that. You can take a look to see when things will become unlocked and all that good stuff, but just get it for what it is for now. It actually, like I said, it hit ATH just the other day of $1 billion, and we're gonna see if it's gonna cross it again. And like I said, I'm very interested in these memes, because what you kind of want to do is, everyone is looking at altcoins and things like that right now. Right now is like memes are just like horrible for people. People are not messing with that. They're too concerned with Solana and what Aave is going to do, what Bitcoin's going to do, what Ethereum's going to do, things like that. But these memes, they're cooling off. You can see they're in a serious downtrend, but which is an excellent thing. Okay, that is actually a good thing. This is going to be Memecoins. Memecoins is in a really good spot right now. Its ATH is about 244 mil, and you can actually see, let's go ahead and grab this, kind of leak it up just a little bit. We'll pull out our measuring here. So it seems like we are pretty much about a 1x down, from the bottom. So it's looking pretty good. You can't completely time the bottom on these things, but I will say I have been watching this chart. This chart has been going down. I've been actually watching it since around the 80 mil mark, and just been keeping it up and checking it from time to time, and it's still going down. So that's a good thing, actually, because I wanted to hit this area here. This area looks like a really good support area right here, and I think that this is going to be a good area where it's going to return, and it's going to be a good accumulation area. It's not financial advice or nothing like that. It's just something that we're looking at, maybe to just get a good position in early. You can see a lot of people are losing interest, meaning they're selling their tokens, probably getting into alts and things like that, which is understandable. But getting a bag of these meme coins while they're low is an excellent thing to do, especially if we have another run, okay? Which I think we should towards the end of the cycle, but that's not for sure. Shit, for all we know, we can get an altcoin run and then summertime and just destroy us all off. You know what I mean? You never really know. This is crypto. It could do exactly what it wants. This is going to be ladies, all right? Milady meme coin. Someone said, you still hold Milady meme coin? Yeah, I've been holding it for some years now, right? This is on a weekly chart. You can see nothing's really been going on, okay? But what we'll do is we can kind of look at this last little bit of time here. So this is around November, okay, earlier this year. Hasn't really been doing too much, but pretty much going down, okay? But it's been looking pretty good. It actually had a good run. Let's see, around November of this year, November of this year, it actually went up about 1x, almost a 1.5x. Then it pulled back. Okay, then it pulled up one more time and it pulled back. So whether this token is going to run, I mean, the volume is it's kind of mid. I mean, the volume's not really there, but I mean, there's a little bit of volume there. It is available on crypto.com. So I'm very sure there's some other places that it's available to. So it is an available token. It is there to be. It is being traded. Let's just put it like that. I still have a nice sized bag of this Milady token, but I've been holding it for a couple of years. So, we'll see what's going to happen. But this is kind of what the chart's looking like. I think that all of this is pretty much good accumulation area. Let's see if you just, you can do it, make a big old area just like this. Can do just a big area. I think all that is excellent, okay? Considering, it getting up to its ATH, which is way, way up there, around that, almost that 400 mil mark. So, we just have to wait and kind of see, and, just kind of see what it's going to do. We're just going to take another look at, this is Elon right here, Doglon Mars. Okay, yes, it's a grandpa token. It's an older token, but at the same time, call them legacy tokens or whatever. Don't disrespect them because people are still getting their money out here. And, a Doglon Mars has been moving, just a slow moving thing. The price is still pretty cheap. It's one of those things where you just accumulate over the long run. It's pretty nice. Like, you guys can get in on Doglon. It has a lot of things coming. The AI-powered metaverse and Rufus L2. Doglon Mars is creating a metaverse set on Mars by integrating AI to create an immersive and an interactive virtual experience. So there's a lot of things in the works. You can kind of see. This is going to be, let me click it over here. Governance, decide the fate of the universe with your fellow Martians. Vote using Elon. Okay, it's going to give you the rank, volume, market cap, 128 mil, blah, blah. So it looks pretty good. I really like how they upgraded this website. It's really looking good. So you guys can come and check that out on your own. But Doglon Mars, I don't know if you guys hold that bag or not. But, like I said, I've been holding this bag for a few minutes. Just whenever I do plan on getting out this cycle, I can guarantee you that. I ain't going to hold it too much longer. But, that was because, like I said, when I got in at the end of last cycle, I didn't know. I didn't know nothing about, I didn't know not even a quarter of the information that I know now. You know what I mean? If I did know even a quarter of the information that I know now, man, I wouldn't be holding half these legacy tokens that we're holding right now. But, anyways, let's look right here. I mean, man, the amount of information that we have now is just crazy. Okay, we have a whole complete different understanding of cryptocurrency now, you know, compared to when we first got in about 3-4 years back. Okay, so this is Bonk here. Let's go ahead and pull up the charts. We're just kind of taking a look, that's it. Kind of seeing where things are going. This is kind of what Bonk's looking like. Let's jump back. Let's go back just a little bit. This is gonna be the weekly. Okay, yeah, sure. It was running. Look, October of 24 for the most part. It pretty much pulled it ran all the way up to almost a 3x, about a 2.5x, and then started pulling back. So this chart here, and you can kind of see the bulls are coming back into the house now. The same thing with MOG over here. Wait, if it ever decides to pull up, my computer gets a little slow, you guys. Sorry about that. Let's pull up trading view now. It's pretty much, I don't like the line charts. Line charts are cool, but I gotta come to my candlesticks. I like trading views, chart analysis, all that. But you can kind of look at MOG. MOG is looking kind of like the same way. Okay, the bulls were in the house. They were gonna try and take it. Then the bears came and pulled it back down. Okay, look at Bonk. Bonk was the same thing. It pulled down. The bulls are in the house right here trying to take it. The bears came and said no, and they took all that volume away. So it's looking like it's trying to come down some more. So pretty much, I'm just keeping my eyes on these charts. I mean, you can see it wicked down to about that 40s, 34.46 mark, and then it wicked down to about that 40, 32.56 mark. Okay, so we're gonna look for a couple of more wick downs. It might decide to wick down and kind of create like a floor, some kind of a support area, and bounce. Otherwise, I expect it to come all the way back here to the 1986 mark, and then I'm really gonna pick up a bag of this. Bunk is gonna be one of those things where, you know how you just been looking at it for all this time. It's not that old of a token either. It's one of them things that you just look at it. Everybody got their money off of it when it first came out and all that. Then it just went back down to dirt cheap prices. People kind of move on in crypto. So then you're just sitting there looking at it like, I should get a bag of Bunk. Whatever. And you don't. You just leave it on, leave it alone, leave it alone. And next thing you know, you get these right here. Like, you get these. Boom. Boom, these big green candles that'll start coming. So it's like, so that little lesson probably could tell you that maybe sometimes it might be kind of good to, take a little risk and prepare yourself just in case. Because you can see it's sort of creating itself some sort of a small floor here. So it could be doing the same thing. It could kind of range here and then bounce, or it could actually range a little bit like this and go down, or you can see it kind of do something like this, kind of stutter step its way down, maybe do some kind of a bounce, maybe around that 2102 mark, and then bounce. But this is it's a nice market, nice healthy market right now. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen with these tokens. But I am taking a look at some of these nice, juicy, fat, juicy meme coins. The big meme coins, the ones that everyone knows about. And those are the ones that we're looking to accumulate at these small prices, because I can maybe even in the summertime, they might go down some more. So even if you get a bag now and then they go down some more, you can go ahead and just buy little bags here and there to kind of get your price to the point where you're going to be righteous once it starts going up. But if it does start going crazy, I think MOG is going to go crazy. MOG's never seen a bull market before. I think MOG's gonna go crazy. I think MOG might do very, very well. But that is not financial advice. You guys, make sure you guys do your research on these tokens. Look at Virtual. Virtual has just been going crazy. I heard about Virtual, but then when I looked at the chart, it was just kind of like running already. I'm just not trying to get into no chart that's like super running like that already. It's looking pretty good though. But you guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.